So the fan is pretty loud. I'm pretty sure the... Oh my god, pipe got froze up. No wonder, pipe caused the leaks on the other side. Maybe the fan. And it shows 1, it's supposed to 0. 37, that's correct. I need to defrost it. So I'm gonna use this hair dryer to blow it. Yeah, try not to stack too much ice. That's what happened, okay? Because get frosted. So now it sounds much better. By the way, I need to put some heat over here on this vent. And there's also a drain plug right there. Probably got froze up because every time the water comes on the bottom of this side.